everybody, I want to show you today 3 variant finger exerciser. This variant arrived from AliExpress. And this variant I made at the shipyard where I work now. If you want strong fingers, you need this tool. But I think this tool's best of the best. Because I made it myself. And this tool is really working. This instrument consists of a pipe. All this work with the help of a fitness band. Of course, I can change power this tool. Awesome. So why do I like this tool more? Here the finger receives an even load. I don't like this tool because it's lever expander. So if you want strong finger, use one of these tools.